Hey, so blessed day, everyone. So before I will start, I'll introduce myself first. I'm Erlinda Omega, Associated Financial Planner of the Philippines and Marketing Director, and a former customer service representative of one of the biggest global shipping company and certified life insurance underwriter at Insurance Institute for the Asia and the Pacific Incorporated and licensed financial educator. And IMG or International Marketing Group is the exclusive and the financial brokerage for Kaiser International. And Kaiser is our partners in healthcare. And this is my QR code. Okay, so who is Kaiser? So Kaiser is registered as a healthcare provider. Kaiser is far more than an HMO. While most HMOs cater to both group and individual accounts, Kaiser product is geared to address the long-term healthcare needs of individuals, especially after their employment and retirement years. And Kaiser was incorporated and registered with the SIC uh, or Securities of Exchange and Commissions on June 8, 2004 with an authorized capital stock of 160 million pesos. And also Kaiser registered in Insurance Commission of the Philippines. Kaiser was also granted a clearance to operate by the Department of Health, Bureau of Health Facilities and Services last July 26, 2004, and this is the same government agency that regulates and supervises health maintenance organizations. Okay, and Kaiser International Health Group proudly entered into partnership with the Judiciary of the Philippines, providing all its members and employees with comprehensive health care services commencing on July 8, 2024. And Dr. Leah Yulu is our president and medical director of Kaiser International Health Group. Our office location is in ground floor, Omnis Prosperity Tower, Senhal Puyat Avenue, Barangay Bill Air, Makati City, Philippines. Okay? So this is our Kaiser client. So we have Senate of the Philippines, House of Representatives, Commissions on Elections, Department of Justice, PIDEA, PAO, Supreme Court, DNR, TESDA, Court of Appeals, and LGUs and state universities around the Philippines. And Kaiser is the first name in healthcare. Okay, so let's proceed. So list a list of corporate accounts. And of course, this is the selected short-term corporate accounts. Okay, so choosing the right healthcare. So ito na po. So in the Philippines, a lot of sick people die, not because there is no medicine or treatment available, but because they don't have money to pay for their cost. So ito yung reality, the sad reality ng mga Pilipinos ngayon, no? So kailangan talaga tayo mag-prepare ng ating healthcare as soon as possible. So there are types of healthcare. So first is short-term healthcare. So ito yung the traditional HMO. Generally, it has no life insurance coverage. And there may be yearly increase of premium upon renewal. However, renewal is not guaranteed, especially when there is high claims, okay? And HMOs covered only age 60. No, there is non-return of premium for non-utilization. So, this short term kasi, ano lang siya, wala siyang savings account, wala rin siyang insurance coverage, and usually binibigay ito sa mga companies if we are still working. So, ang ano lang nito, kung hindi na tayo mag-work, mag-resign na tayo, hindi natin siya madadala kasi kailangan natin siyang i-surrender. Okay? And the second long-term and the second types of healthcare is long-term healthcare. So, this is also an HMO with health savings account. Okay? And it has fixed premium program, usually 7 years lang po, which matures in 20 years. It comes with a 401 insurance coverage together with a long-term healthcare plan. Renewal is guaranteed and all unused health funds accumulates with interest. It may cover beyond age 60 with long-term care growth. So, nasa kanya ng lahat. Pag long-term healthcare kasi may health savings account na siya, after payment of 7 years or after saving of 7 years, the time will come na mag-mature ang policy. So, meron po tayong return of investment. And of course, covered po tayo nito beyond age 60. So, ito po yung ipon na walang kapon. I'll explain this further on my next slide. Okay, for the third types of healthcare is senior care. So, this type of healthcare works similarly to the short-term coverage, except that covers age 61 and beyond. Okay, an increase of premium every 10 years, but it has lots of limitations. Covers to age 100. So, alam naman natin yung senior, marami ng mga sakit, and once meron po sila nito, of course, meron po silang coverage, pero with limitations na siya. Kasi nga, di ba, so marami ng mga sakit-sakit yung senior citizen. And of course, yung premium niya will increase every 10 years. Okay? Sige. So, we should know our priority, no? So, marami tayong priority, bills to pay, mortgage to pay, cars to pay, no? And of course, building our family. So, in IMG, tinuturuan po kami dito ng isang financial concept na kailangan natin mag-build ng solid financial foundation as our first priority talaga. This is our top priority kasi everything will follows na po. Okay? Pag ma-build natin yung ating financial foundation na matibay, na tama. Okay? So like building a house, kailangan po siya i-build from the ground up. So ito po yung mga steps niya. Ito po yung kanyang first is healthcare. Dapat meron po tayong long-term and short-term healthcare. Okay? So alam naman natin na pag nasa Philippines tayo, medyo mahirap po yung healthcare system dito. Okay? And of course, kung meron tayong healthcare, meron po tayong peace of mind. And number 2 steps is life protection, which is life insurance. For the breadwinner, no? If marami pa tayong mga responsibilities, kailangan po natin meron ito. Okay? Para po ito po yung instant money na maiiwan natin sa family in case the breadwinner will die too soon. And the third step is eliminate debt. So, we need to know the importance of identifying kung yung utang na ba yan it's a good debt or a bad debt. Okay? And number 4 is emergency fund. So, we need to create an emergency fund at least 3 to 6 months of our monthly income to help cope with emergencies and unexpected changes. So like for example, job loss or business slowdown, major damages or repairs for homes, business properties, cars, and etc. And of course, mga illnesses, mga disaster, we should be prepared for the rainy days as well. Okay? And number 5 step is investment. So investment is the last priority. No? Hindi po natin lahat-lahat na lang yung pagsisave natin nasa investment kasi yung investment kasi pag siya yung i-prioritize natin at wala po tayong healthcare, wala po tayong life insurance, marami tayong utang, wala tayong emergency fund, ang mangyayari kung ma-hospitalize po tayo, yung investment na intended for our long-term goals, mabibenta siya at lower cost, no? And ang mangyayari niyan, lugi ka. Okay? So, ganito lang talaga, no? Ito yung i-follow natin. It's a simple step. It's a simple financial concept that will help us in building our solid financial foundation. Okay? So, ano na ba yung foundation natin ngayon, no? So, ikaw lang po ang makasagot niyan. Is it in a weak foundation or is it in a strong foundation? So, people fail financially for they build a weak financial foundation. Okay, so I will share to you the complete financial plan. So in our life, there are 2 questions lang po. And these questions, kailangan to ng solusyon. Okay, so what if I die too soon? Who will take care of my family? Okay, the solution for that is life insurance. So this is the instant money. And number 2 questions is what if I live too long? The solutions for that is investment and long-term care. Okay, so this is money working for you. So in our life, we have 3 major financial needs, no? So first is we need investment to generate continuing income for you when you retire. So this is money working for you. And number 2, na meron po tayo is is income protection or life insurance to protect your family if you die too soon. Life insurance protections can help you replace your income, help finance your children education, pay estate tax, pay debts instantly, or life insurance is an instant money. Okay? And number three is healthcare to provide your healthcare when you retire or when you stop working. Someone to take care of you when you get old, no? So kung meron tayong healthcare, we can afford to hire yung magti-take care sa atin, no? Caregivers. And how comfortable is your healthcare situation after age 60? Depends on the decision you make today. So this is the three financial needs that we need to address. And of course, I can share to you or I could tell you about a product that provides complete solution with these three major financial needs. So siya yung sagot, which is Kaiser International Health Builder. Kasi 3-in-1 na po siya. Bakit po siya 3-in-1? Ito po, first is meron po siyang mutual funds. A portion of our funds are invested in shares of stocks and it is being monitored by fund managers who are expert. Our money will earn 10% average interest per year through the stock market. So this is the blue chips companies of the Philippines. We have BPI, we have Jollibee, we have SM, we have Ayala, we have Meralco, we have Metrobank. And number two, it has life insurance. So life insurance, it protects against sudden loss of life. And meron po siyang lifetime healthcare HMO that covers hospitalization even beyond age 60. So yan po yung kagandahan ni Kaiser. Okay? So ito po yung kanyang sample na plan. This is K100. The installment amount is 58,081.43. The contract price is 411,750. No? So this is annual mode of payment. So sa ating Kaiser, tatlong period lang po ang tatandaan natin. So first is saving period. No? Ang saving period natin is only 7 years. Growth period is 13 years. And on the 20 years, ito na po yung harvest na period. Okay? So while nag-save po tayo, meron po tayong tinatawag na healthcare benefits. So only 7 years lang po ang magpag-save nito ha. So meron po tayong annual physical exam. May discounted dental benefits na po tayo. Waiver of installment due to death and credit of life or disability. So ibig pong sabihin nito, for example, nagsisave na po tayo ng 2 years. On the third year, nawawala po or namatay yung policy holder. So the remaining years na hindi po natin na-savean, so automatic po yan fully paid. Automatic po yan waive yung balance. Okay, ang kagandahan ni Kaiser, kasi yung policy po is transferable po siya sa primary beneficiary. So for example, the primary beneficiary is the wife or the husband or the kids. And ang yung family outright po makapag-claim ng kanyang life insurance coverage kung nawala siya because of natural death or accident naman kung nawala siya because of accident. And of course, the primary beneficiary will wait po na mag-mature ang policy on the 20th year and siya na po mag-claim ng maturity value untak po doon sa outright na mag-claim like yung sa life insurance coverage or accident coverage. And of course, meron po siyang inpatient benefits or medical benefits. Meron po tayong member's choice of room on board, depende po ito sa plan. Annual benefit limit, depende din ito sa plan. Term life covered po tayo for 20 years, accidental death and dismemberment from accumulation until the 20th year, and lifetime network access to over 500 hospitals and more, and over 1,000 doctors as long as you have funds. Okay, so yan po yung kanyang saving period. Okay, so ito naman yung kanyang growth period. So sa growth period ko, 8 years onwards na po siya. So ang kagandahan ng growth period kasi po included na dito or covered na dito yung pre-existing condition, yung outpatient, and yung money, it's working for us na. Kasi di ba invested siya, yung na-save natin ng 7 years, invested po siya and it will earn an accumulated interest or compounding interest. Okay? Yun po yung kanya. And of course, it includes as well maternity benefits. Okay? So yan po yung growth period. Yan. And of course, dito na tayo sa harvest period. So the harvest period po, ang ibig po sabihin nito, for example, for K100 na plan, nag-start po yung age na 22, ma-fully paid po siya at 29. So 29 plus 13, which is the growing period, on the 42 years old po, meron na siyang i-harvest or yung maturity value. For sa K100 na plan, so the annual payment is 58,821 times 7 years kasi 7 years lang po tayo nagsisave. So, ang total contract price niya po is 411,750. However, on the maturity date po niya is may makukuha po tayo or return of investment na 1,166,169. Ibig pong sabihin, yung binayad niyo po na 411, ang balik po sa atin is almost times 3. Ito po yung kagandahan ng Kaiser. Okay, so during the harvest period po, two options po ang pwede natin gawin. So first option, kunin natin lahat ng maturity value ito, no? Ito po, kunin natin. So, wala na tayong protection ni Kaiser kasi surrender na po yung policy natin. And number two option is 50% lang po ang kunin natin para ma-enjoy naman natin yung ating pinaghirapan na pera, no? Yung disiplina po. And then, yung 50% po, hindi po yung sayang kasi yung 50% po, yun po yung mag-earn ulit ng accumulated interest. And of course, since meron pa po tayong Kaiser na active policy, yung healthcare po natin, lifetime po siya. Okay, so ang ibig po sabihin, kahit po nag-age na po kayo ng 60 years old, ng 70, ng 80, as long as may Kaiser active policy pa kayo, covered po tayo. Okay, yun po ang ibig sabihin ng lifetime healthcare. Okay, so ang peace of mind po natin, pag meron po tayong long-term healthcare, grabe po ang balik niya. Kasi po, pag wala na tayong HMO, especially on our old age po, retirement age na natin, na yun that time po nang wala na tayong much active income, kasi ano na po, iba na po yung status ng ating life or stage ng ating life. So this Kaiser Healthcare po, ito yung magbibigay sa atin ng backup plan or pangbayad ng hospital during our retirement age. And of course, once it's matured, and gusto nyo na kunin po ulit yung remaining 50% and its accumulation interest, pwede naman po siyang kunin. Wala na pong problema yun kasi nag-matured na po siya. And pwede naman po na once it matured on the 20th year, meron po tayong tinatawag na extended period, no? So for 22 years old, di ba mag-mature siya ng 42. So from 411,750, ang makukuha niya is almost 1.2. Pag extended naman po, kasi kung 42 po mag-matured ang kanyang policy, bata pa po siya, no? Marami pa siyang money, marami pa po siyang source of income. Pwede naman po i-extend, tingnan niyo po, at age 60, no? So, ang from 1.1 million, magiging 6.4 million na po yung maturity value niya. And at age 65 naman po, magiging 10 million na siya. So, ang ibig pong sabihin, yung pera niyo po dito, hindi po siya sayang, no? Kasi po, nag-i-earn po siya ng interest. Okay? So, yun po yung kagandahan ng Kaiser. Sa ipon po siya na wala pong tapon po. Okay? So, yan po yung ating sample policy na K100. And this is the table po ng 7 years program. Dito po natin makikita. No? So, meron po tayong minimum age. No? Minimum age po. And meron po tayong recommended na K100. For K100 and above, ito po ay 10 years old. Basta 10 years old lang po, below 60 pwede po kukuha nito. No? Kasi kung afford naman natin ng higher plan, kasi sa atin naman ito hindi naman to pupunta sa ibang tao. Sa atin po ito. Tayo po ang makapag-benefits nito. But let's focus muna sa recommended na K100 kasi ito po yung sample na plan na pinakita ko kanina. Okay? So, yan po. So, pag annual po ng K100 is 58,821. Sa annual po, ang advantage nito is nakapag-save po tayo ng 2 months. No? So, 2 months times 7 years, 14 months din yung na-save natin. Ang And then, ang advantage din po ng annual, in case po ma-hospitalize tayo while nag-save pa tayo, meron po tayong allocation or free allocation na libre pang-hospital po. Yun po yung pang-hospital payment natin, no? Yun po yung sa annual, and then for semi-annual po, 11 months lang yung sinave natin. So meron po tayong na-save na one month. So 1 month times 7 years, that's also big savings na po. And for the quarterly, wala po tayong, maliit lang po pala yung na-save natin dito, and monthly wala po. Spot cash is, ang kagandahan ng spot cash po, the same benefits, no? The same ang kanyang maturity date, the same lahat-lahat. Ang kagandahan lang ng spot cash kasi wala na kayong iisipin, no, na babayaran, no? Or budgeting for kasi binayaran nyo na lahat. And ang kagandahan din ng spot cash is malaki yung discount natin. Okay, so if you think meron kayong pera sa bangko na nakatambay lang doon, invest nyo na sa Kaiser. Kasi itong Kaiser natin, mag-invest lang kayo dito, ang balik sa atin is times 3. And of course, meron tayong protection. Kasi sa bangko po, walang protection ang pera natin doon. No? Of course, tayo pala. Ang may-ari ng pera, tayo yung may protection. Okay? And of course, ang interest ng bangko, how much lang yan? Less than 1% yearly, no? Andito naman is 10% yearly compounding siya, no, after fully paid ang ating policy. Okay, so ito yung ABL niya, ito yung allocation natin yearly. Pray lang po ito pag ma-hospitalize tayo while nasi-save pa po. And for 8 years onwards po, hindi na po itong amount, malaki na po siya. Kasi ang healthcare funds po, magpa-factor in siya doon kasi because of the investment. And for the accident insurance naman po, ito po, times 2 po siya sa life. So, ang life po is 450. Ang accident insurance naman po is 900. And ito po yung maturity value. Okay, so kung kaya nyo naman po kukuha ng higher plan, kasi the higher the plan, the higher the coverage din naman. And ito po yung maturity value natin. Okay? So yan na po. Okay? So this is the plan. Okay? And of course, for the minimum age naman po, 10 to 40, pwede naman sa K45 or K50, 41 to 50, K60, and 51 to 60, K75. Okay, so kung kaya naman ng higher plan, go for this kasi sa inyo naman ito. Kayo po ang makapag-benefit. Okay, so this is pala our online policy management. So visibility-wise, guidelines po ng policy, benefit card ng policy, dito po natin makikita sa online policy. Pati po yung payment history, no? Lahat-lahat na po, yung cash value niya, dito po lahat. So at least po online na po siya. So kahit saan po kayo, you can view your policy. Okay? So comparison lang po ito between PhilHealth, Social Security System, and Kaiser. So si PhilHealth naman po, we need to pay until 60 years old. Only listed illness are covered. Healthcare only, no life insurance and investment. 15 to 20% coverage on medical bills. And however po, for Social Security System, 2.4 po per month. For example lang yan, nagbabayad po tayo ng 40 years. So, estimated po na ating, paano ba yun, yung pension? That's 17,300 monthly. Okay? Sa Kaiser naman, 7 years lang po tayo magsisave dito. Illness po covered. Meron po siyang 3-in-1 package. May life insurance na siya, may investment na siya, at may healthcare na din siya. So, covers hospital bills depending on the ABL benefits natin and access natin yung mga hospitals, clinics, no? And unlimited consultations with the branches of clinics of Kaiser and with family assistance, transferable to principal, beneficiary in case of death, and free annual checkup and many more. Okay? Yan po yung Kaiser. So, why po? Ito yung questions po natin, no? May dahilan po bakit nandito po kayo sa Zoom namin, nakapagkinig po kayo ng Kaiser presentation. So, why own a long-term healthcare? So, because you cannot bring with you the healthcare benefits provided by your company when you retire, no? And of course, most sicknesses appear when you retire. Okay? And healthcare is very expensive at old age, no? So, wag po antayin na magiging senior ka na bago ka kukuha ng healthcare kasi sobrang mahal po. Okay? So, ito yung mga sample na ito po yung nag-claim sa ng maturity. Alam niyo naman po sila Julius and Christine Babaw, di ba? So, ito po yung kanilang maturity claims. So, andito po si Dr. Ria Yulo and the rest of the Kaiser staff sa Manila. Okay, so guaranteed po siya ha. Legit po ang Kaiser. So it is providing you with the best healthcare and insurance plan is our priority and ensure that you continue living a healthy and financially protected life as you grow older. Okay? So yan po. So we need to take action, no? Kailangan po natin mag-take action. Bakit po? Kasi ano, you always have an excuse not to save and invest. No matter what your excuse is, one thing for sure, you're going to get old next year. And no matter what your excuse is, your child will grow up and you would need money for his education. So no matter what your excuse is, you will eventually retire, no? Ito pong reality na to, hindi natin to pwedeng maiwasan and stop making active income, no? So you have to be prepared for this kind of situations. So be with a group who inspires you. When the member of the group save, they will also inspire you to save. Okay, so IMG mission is to convert people from being spender to savers and teach them how to save the right way. Start your journey towards financial freedom with IMG. Since IMG po is a financial brokerage company of Kaiser, okay? So ito po yung mga leaders ng IMG and of course si Ma'am Corina Sanchez, Boy Abunda and of course yan po sila. Okay, so this is the accounts accredited under IMG. So dito po tayo mag-send ng money in case po magsa-start na po tayo with Kaiser. Okay? So yan po yon and this is my social media accounts, no? This is my QR code, this is my Bitly account. You can screenshot this para po you can reach me in case po may questions po kayo. And this is my link bio and this is my personal FB account. Okay, so before we end, so before tayo magtapos, gusto kong iwan sa inyo ang isang simpleng tanong. Okay? So if you get hospitalized tomorrow, are you financially prepared? Okay? And kasi ang sakit natin, hindi natin mapipigilan, pero ang financial burden na dala nito, pwede nating paghandaan. Today, we've learned that financial security is not just about earning more, it's about making wise decisions today for a better tomorrow. Kung gusto mong malaman kung paano ka makapag-build ng healthcare, protection, life insurance, at long-term savings, I'm here po to guide you every step of the way. Just scan the QR code po na nasa screen and message me directly. Okay, I'll be happy to answer your questions and help you explore the best option based on your needs and budget. Huwag po kayo mahiya magtanong. Remember, you don't need to be rich to start. You simply need to start. Okay? At the saying goes, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. And the second best time is today. Okay? Dapat po today. Okay? So, ganun din sa financial planning. The earlier you prepare, the better protected your future will. Thank you so much for your time and your attention and your trust. This is Erlinda Omega reminding you, protect your health, protect your wealth, and invest in your future. Maraming salamat po and God bless you us all. Thank you. Goodbye.